Perspective. Do you know about perspective?
Yes, I do.
What do you do with perspective?
I don't know.
Do you like perspective?
Yeah.
What can you do with perspective?
You can see things. How do I put this?
How do you explain perspective?
Perspective?
I do not know.
I could think of a way to explain perspective.
How can you possibly explain perspective?
Well, maybe there can be
Something
a way.
like this.
I just can't put it into words.
Thank you.